we're back. I'm Corinne. This is Aaron looking in someone's backyard. Today we are going to be like under rocks. So we found a really good rock. Sorry if it's like a bad glare. We're outside. So here is the rock that we are going to be doing. Okay, let's go.
Okay. Ready? Anything?
Doesn't really look like it.
No, nothing good under here. Let's try this one. 1, 2, 3. But no, that one wasn't good either. The best ones, I think, are the flat ones. Here's one. Okay, ready? Wow! Whoa!
What is that?
They
Well,
look
that
like
you don't see that
baby
every day.
somethings.
You don't see that every day, do you? That monster.
That's a root. It's not a worm. Not to be mistaken for a worm. It is a root. And looks like a mother earwig with all her baby earwigs. And that is a water bug holding on to his little leaf for dear life. Eep, eep, eep. They must be all her little babies in there. Did you see Corinne?
Yeah.
And this guy's just moseying do-do-do-do-do. He doesn't care. He's not scared about anything. He ain't worried about nothing. And it looks like we have something over here. I don't know what that is. No beautiful slugs. All right, that was a good one.
Wait, can I do the ending?
Yes, but we're not ending it yet. We're gonna do this one now. 1, 2, 3. Ah! Some weird white goo stuff. What?
Oh my god, I see babies. I literally see babies going, ow,
Where?
in the tree. Oh my god.
Where?
Stop, don't touch me.
Oh, sorry.
Where? In the nest right over there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's babies wanting to get food.
Watch out. I'm trying to get.
Can you do it?
Oh, yeah, there it is. You want to do the ending now?
Thank you guys so much for watching. That was such a great experience being able to see baby birds. And I've actually never seen baby birds like that before. So thank you for watching. And I hope everybody stays healthy, stay at home. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and turn on post notifications. Bye, guys.